Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? Today, we will be delving deep into the SPY ETF. We previously published a report on our website on Tuesday, December 5, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay up to date with our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. It's crucial that you don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by using our recently launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate with a score of 1.26. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 6.02%. This means that, on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.26% since being labeled as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is currently in an upward trend, but it is showing signs of weakness. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks the top trend line at $459.55, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 3.19% change expected over the next 3 months. This means that the ETF could see a return ranging between -5.86% and 3.86%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a 15.95% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 5.95% and 16.71%. This translates to a price range of $483.78 to $532.89 after 12 months. Here's the latest update on SPY. The headline reads, Stronger Technical Forecast for SPY ETF Price After Tuesday Trading. On Tuesday, December 5, 2023, the SPY ETF price experienced a slight decrease of -0.0197%, going from $456.69 to $456.60. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.598%, reaching a low of $454.87 and a high of $457.59. Over the past period, the price has been fluctuating, resulting in a 0.52% gain over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased alongside the ETF, which is actually a positive sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 4 million shares, with a total of 64 million shares bought and sold for approximately $29.10 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $459.65, while the lowest price was $374.77. Currently, the price is 0.66% or $3.05 below the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 4.87% or $23.38 below the all-time high, which was reached on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $479.98. Let's take a look at the signals for SPY. The SPY ETF shows positive indicators with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections, there is support from the lines at $456.09 and $438.70. If the stock falls below these levels, it may issue sell signals. However, there are some negative signals that might impact the near short-term development. On Friday, December 1, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a -0.545% decrease so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. It is a rare occurrence and often precedes significant gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands have given a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 26 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 21 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for SPY. When it comes to support, the ETF has some key levels to watch out for. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume at $429.54 and $426.43, which act as support levels. It's important to understand that when an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may then fall to the next support level. In this case, if $429.54 is broken, the next support levels to watch out for are $426.43 and $412.55. Despite this risk, SPY tends to have very controlled movements overall. With good liquidity, the risk is considered to be very low in this stock. Taking a look at the recent data, we can see that the ETF moved $2.72 between its high and low in the last day, which is equivalent to 0.598%. Over the past week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 0.86%. Today, let's delve into some day trading levels for SPY. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for SPY, which sits at $456.69. If you're not currently invested, it might be wise to wait for the price to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you already hold SPY shares, this could be a potential level for swing trading. On the other hand, if SPY experiences a decline, it will encounter its first support level at $429.54. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, with the possibility of a rebound in the future. Our recommended stop-loss for this ETF is set at $439.54, which is a decrease of 3.74%. This ETF has a tendency to experience low daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 2 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a promising overall trend. Therefore, we believe that now could be a good buying opportunity for the SPY ETF. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Wednesday, December 6th, we anticipate that SPY will open with a decrease of $0.247 and begin trading at $456.35. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that there are risks involved. Always consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is a source of information and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your opinion on our current view of the stock. Share your thoughts by commenting below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video to stay updated with our latest content. What's your target for the ETF? Let us know. Lastly, we want to wish you successful trading and a beautiful day. From all of us here at Stock Invest, regards.